Imagine living in a 21-acre of luxury community where 86% of open space and you're surrounded with nature and lake view. Welcome to asset code named Twin Lake City. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of asset code named Twin Lake City, which is located off Hennur Road in North Bangalore, a project developed by Asset Group. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our project. So I'm standing exactly opposite to the land parcel. So on my right hand side is the land parcel of our project. The main entrance will be coming up just on the back end side of me over here, and the marketing office is under construction for now inside the land parcel itself. Now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, about super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now before starting the video, I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is, so let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Let's start with the project overview, where our project is spread across 21 acres of massive land, consisting of 6 elegant towers which are divided into 3 phases. Each tower will be of 2 basement ground and goes up to 30 and 34 floors, where you can choose between 3 and 4 BHK premium luxury apartments. You even get 86% of open space around your community. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located just opposite to Kalkeri Lake off Hennur Road in North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, where I'm standing near to the main entrance. So the main entrance will be coming up on the back end side over here, where just over this side we have the Kalkeri Lake. So you will be getting the beautiful lake view. And this is the K. Channachandra main road. So this road on the back end side will take you towards Hennur, and the opposite side road will take you towards Kar Agrahara main road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So Orchard International School is 10 minutes away from our project, Medidharma Hospital that is 11 minutes away, Manyata Tech Park 20 minutes away, and Gopalian Grand Mall that is 22 minutes away from our project. When we come to amenities part, Asset Group offers you 55 plus luxurious world-class amenities like of 70,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, 35,000 square feet of retail plaza, 2,900 square feet of sports club, kids play area, landscape garden, open space to relax and many more luxurious amenities. If you're one of them who is exploring and looking to buy a home in Bangalore, then I would like to suggest you one thing before you buy your home. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers don't exactly know what their true rights are. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, you're in the situation how much amount a builder can legally deduct. Or else even after possession, there is any construction related issue happening in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch these series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out once. Coming towards the super built up area, and as mentioned, our project offers you 3 and 4 BHK premium homes, where 3 BHK homes are of 2090 to 2349 square feet super built up area, 4 BHK homes of 2844 square feet super built up area with 70% of carpet area efficiency. Talking about the booking process, so our project is in pre-launch stage where we are open with the EOI window. That is expression of interest window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of asset code named Twin Lake City by Asset Group located off Hennur Road in North Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.